Alright, let's take a look at the Backup Plus Portable by Seagate. Portable. This one's 5 terabyte, which is, I believe, the highest amount you can get, which I'm quite impressed with because 5 terabyte portable, no AC to plug in or anything. Solid effort. So it comes with 1 year of Melio. I'm gonna get that wrong, but apparently you can organize your photos. I haven't actually used that, but cool. You also get, where is it? Here. Adobe Creative Cloud, which 2 months. Okay. Oh, it's a photography plan, so it's not the full Creative Cloud, because I know the LaCie drives, they come with 1 month of full Creative Cloud, which apparently costs, well, about $100 or so. So this one is $20 value, and it's just a photography plan, not sure what that is. So here we go, small drive, Windows and Mac. I think it comes with NTFS. Is the driver, not too sure, but we'll have to check that a bit later. I think, and it is compatible with USB 3 and USB 2, which is good. And obviously chuck in a USB-C adapter, if that's what you've got, it would still work fine. So we open up. Oh, we've got some paperwork. As per usual, what do we got here? Backup Plus Portable, Backup Plus SIM, Quick Start Guide. Okay. USB-A, Backup Plus. So for Time Machine, the hard drive must be formatted HFS Plus for Mac. Just a note for anyone that wants to use it purely for Time Machine. Creative Cloud, Photo Ange Bot. Sure, Ange is a wonderful person. Comes with Lightroom CC and Photoshop CC. So the full creative plan comes with Premiere CC and all those other ones, but still not bad to get Lightroom and Photoshop CC from a couple months. But you probably will get hooked. Melio, organize your photos, automate protection and see them in all your devices. Interesting. Redeem your Melio software when you register your product. Okay. Melio. And here is the hard drive. Oh, okay. Goes that way. Thought it went the other way. We'll get to that in a sec. Just confirming there is your USB-A, or it's USB 3, to your little hard drive connector thing. And there it is. It's a pretty decent size. I mean, it's obviously very portable. It's a little bit heavy, but you just got to be careful with these ones because they've got moving parts, and if you drop them, it's a good chance they might not work again. So, oh yeah, a few little fingerprints that come up. But it does feel quite nice overall, I'll give it that. There's your USB input. It is, yeah, a little bit heavy, but we're talking a few grams, so you're not going to notice anything. And there's your little light for when it's on and off. 5 terabytes. It is very well priced. I'll give you that for 5 terabytes. And the best part is it's completely portable. I've had fairly good luck with Seagate drives in terms of fail rates and all that sort of thing. So 5 terabytes, I would say, is really good size for this because you can obviously chuck in as much data as you want and not worry about spending a lot of money on SSDs these days because a lot of laptops only come with small SSDs, so a lot of people need big hard drives on the side that they hope will be quick enough. These ones I found to be quite quick. I've actually found it to be quicker than some competitors' drives, so I'm quite impressed by it as well. And I found it decent to be editing videos using this drive as well, so it has been good to me, and I would recommend it. And 5 terabytes as well, that is really good. I think it starts at 3 or 4, and then it goes up to 5. If you get the Backup Plus Slim though, because this is the portable, the Slim I believe only goes up to 2 terabytes, and the Ultra Touch, which is the new one, the little fabric look, that goes up to 2 as well.